What is going on, beautiful people? It is your boy back again, Trouble T Roy, and I have another review for you. This one is an oldie but goodie, and we are on day 3 straight. What is going on? I'm providing some consistency here, so I hope y'all proud of me a little bit, right? But again, I said I would possibly review these. Um, these are actually unworn. I've had these for a little bit. Um, but I figured I'd bring it to you for a review. You already know that box, that Jordan brand logo there. I'll even show you what it is. Size 10 and a half, Jordan 11 Retro, the Concord. And it looks like if you see that, suggested or manufacturer suggested retail was 220. What year? I don't even remember the year that these were out. So because I had this box for a minute, like I say, it's been in my office forever. So you see some damage and wear and tear, and but typical Nike branding and all of that. Um, Two-part box lid, nothing special. Just you know, it came. I remember some of the joints that were like this didn't come with like the original like white paper and carbon fiber paper. If you remember when these first came out, I believe it was 1996 when these came out. I was in middle school. I know I'm dating myself, and the box came like this. It wasn't that slide out box. This was the OG box for when these came out in 1996. So that's a little black plastic paper. All right, and nothing extravagant in the box. So let's do this. We're just gonna pull these out so I can show y'all these Concords that I never wore, but I might rock them Friday. I don't know. It depends. It depends. Some shoes when it's cold like this and it's snow on the ground, I wear some of like my beater shoes, like maybe my like Adidas. You know what I mean? So, but here we are, Jordan 11 Concord. To me, the most sleek Jordan 11 ever. Though those Gammas are pretty sleek, right? But these right here, man, legendary. These retro quite a few times and some different versions, like the Defining Moments pack and stuff like that. So, but these are the Concords. A node to the original Concord, which when they came out in '96, they had the 23 on the back, but the original was made with the number 45 on the back because that's when, Jordan had just came back to basketball. He was wearing number 45, so you can see it here. You got your Jumpman, your mesh upper, or I keep forgetting what you call this. But this woven pattern type mesh, third row spacing for the Jumpman Jordan, for all y'all that want to make sure it's in the right spot. Getting y'all know how I feel about that. This was the retro, so the latest retro of the Concord, so the high cut patent leather, which again is an ode to the original because the original, when Mike came back, had high cut patent leather. I don't know why they lowered it when they released it, but who knows. Again, carbon fiber shank, y'all see that there. Outsole pods, the Concord on the outsole, the Jumpman logo. Curious to see, like I never even laced these joints up. Um, these are the ones with the plastic. Remember the Gammas had the paper insert. These are the ones with the plastic purple Concord insert. Just in case you wanted to see that. Size sticker 10 and a half on the inside. Again, nothing extravagant. I'm not going to go too far in, but I'm trying to go to the tag to see when these were released. I want to say these came back, was it 2018, 19? I don't know. Don't hold me to that. I'm not sure. I got to kind of check. But again, I had these for a while now. Again, icy sole. And this is the left shoe. Here's the right. Same thing. Your Jumpman 45 on the back, high cut patent leather. Again, third row spacing. Do these have the peaks? I don't think these have the peaks on them because some of them, like you have that. What I mean by peaks is this little. Yeah, it do. when they cut the patent leather, it's like a little point there. You'll see that on most of your Jordan 11s that are the high cut patent leather version. All right. This one I didn't notice, but a little bit of sloppy cutting on the patent leather in the back where the peak is, but that's not major to me. Like, again, I wear them, I don't care. Same thing. So carbon fiber shank, clear sole, Concord purple, pods. Yeah, pretty simple shoe. But to me, the most sleek, like I say, even though the Gammas are sleek, but pretty sleek shoe. Yeah, it's time for me to wear these, man. I've had them for a minute, so time for me to put these joints to work. All right, that's my review today, an oldie but goodie. I'm going to do an oldie but goodie series, but I do have more reviews for you. I got shoes that I haven't worn yet. I got shoes that are I guess we call it exclusive, maybe not to the public because they're not highly sought after, but joints that you don't really see like that. But yeah, until then, I catch y'all on the flip side.